my people, welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. Today is day 8. As a new setting, as you can see, we are getting deeper into the learning, and I hope so far you've gotten the understanding of what data analytics is all about. So, you are taking our very first tool, which is Excel, and today we are going to explore and tour the Excel tool. And I'm using a MacBook now, right? So I just want to share something about the Excel. Right now, Excel is actually a tool under the Microsoft Office, right? So and currently the updated version or the recent version of the Microsoft tool is 365, which is mostly actually paid. And so there's a little bit of ups and downs when you are actually installing it. So it's better you get an IT person to install it on your machine for you if you want it for free, because they're going to get you an old version, I think, right? But if you want a new version, you have to pay for the 365, or if you are a student, you can use your student ID for that as well. So you can use your student email to sign up to your Microsoft. Or if you are a worker, most of the institutions actually use Microsoft Office. So your email is linked to the Microsoft, so you can use that as well. It's just that sometimes there are restrictions because it's an organization and all that. But if you're able to actually subscribe to the 365, I trust me, is I think it's a good pay, right? You are learning and it's going to help you as well. So and also if you want help in downloading or doing this one, in downloading any of these tools, there are a ton of videos on this YouTube that you could use to actually know how to maneuver to download the Excel file or the Excel tool or any other tools you are going to go into as well. If you still find the challenge, make sure to join our WhatsApp group in the description, so that we can assist you as well. All right, so let's get to explore our Excel, right? So this is going to be MacBook version, and it's the same thing. It's the same thing if you are using a Windows, right? So let's go on. All right, this is my Excel. Let me. This is my Excel as well, and then if you open your Excel, do not rush. Okay, do not rush because um there's a lot of things that you can read and understand before you get into it. Note this: every tech, every tech tool actually teaches you on the go. You just have to pay attention to what it is teaching you. What I mean is that you can see that there are some templates, more templates here, and you can see something like welcome to Excel. So if you are new to the tool, take your time to go through time to go through this. Okay, that is, let's see, it says what? Okay, take a tour, let's go. All right, so let's go, and this is what it's showing you right now. So you see all these things are already in there, and when you explore them, you get to understand the whole tool. Okay, it's showing you this is add, so it's showing you how to even add, so you're even finding out summation as well. All right, okay, so it's showing you the summation part of things. You can add, so this is there. So the very first formula I made mention of is sum. So let's do sum here and see. So sum, and we want to add these. Okay, right, so let's see. So I'm zooming in as well, right? So we want to add, okay, this is the information, right? Add numbers like a charm, right? So type sum equal to sum d, right? So this is it, equals to sum d4, right? So this is the formula bar and all that. So you can go through, fill out. It's going to show you what to fill out all here: split, dispose, sort and filter, tables, slices, drop down, charts, pivot tables. So these are in fact the major things or the major tools you should know or skills you should know with you should know how to use with Excel as a beginner, right? It's here. So when you explore, you get to understand and you get to read through, right? So when you read through, it's a self-explanatory. Do not rush it. Do not rush it. Okay, that is it. Like it's going to so split, it's going to give you steps of it. I don't know if you know this, but it is here. So you just have to take your time to go through it. And these are the beginning stages of Excel. Like these are the major things, right? I even teach at the beginning stage as well. All right. Let me All right, so I am not going to go through all this with you. I want you to actually spend time to go through as well. So let's take it from do not save. Let's take it from here. Let's open Excel again. So when you open Excel from scratch, when you download it, you have it on your machine. Just go to Welcome to Excel. Take a tour, and you're going to see all that, right? It's going to open a new file and you're going to see all that as well. All right. Okay. All right. So let's open a blank space and let's actually name out the whole let me see. Name out the whole Excel interface. Right, thank you. Excel interface. So let's start. I'm going to use the cursor. I don't know if I can actually hold on, if I can use a pointer option. I want to see show mouse pointer. All right, so I think this is it. All right, okay, so this is our Excel. This is our Excel interface. So let's start from the beginning. So some of the icons do not have their names, but then, as I said, any tech tool teaches you on the go. So whenever you see a sign, a small icon on Excel, you can actually just put your cursor on it and you will see the name. All right, so when you come here, this sign is what save, right? The very first one is save, the second one is save as, this is home. So you should know some of these icons already, and these are called tabs. Okay, so we have the home tab, the insert tab, the draw tab, and all that, and all these things, right? So this cut, paste, brush, bold, italic, underline, font style, font size, all these things are ribbons. So ribbons are found under tabs. Then we come here, this is your name box. So you can see your active cell is where it's on A1. Active cell is this green thing. All right, is this green thing. So let's continue. I'm still having a challenge, pardon me, as well. So so I'm here, the name box is here, so you get to see the name. So the name starts with, this is uh your column. So the vertical column A is straight, column B straight. So the name of the cell starts with the column, then the number of the row. The row is the horizontal, right? Horizontal, which is from 1 to. All right, so I'm having a challenge, but I hope it's figured out. So now, yeah, where now there are active cell is this green thing, right? So this is our column, this is our row. Okay, Now, when we select this, we see the name box here, which is A1. So the cell we've selected is what's A1. And when I put my cursor here, you see the name of that thing. It says what's name box. So let me bring my cursor here. What does it say? Formula bar. Right. So if you don't know what it is, just put your cursor on it. You understand it. Okay. As well. So these are cells, right? So remember the table format I gave you on the board. These are cells. Now let's come down as well, and we're going to see that we have sheet 1 here, right? So Excel works like, it's just like records, like just your notebook. So sheet 1 is the very first table, sheet 2 will be table, second table, or second page, and at the end, when you are saving and everything, this becomes a workbook, right? Because it has different sheets, right? Okay, so if you are saving, let's go to save as, and you are saving, you are going to see file extensions, right? So you can see a workbook, you can see CSV file. CSV file will save only one sheet. So if you have done about 5 to 6 sheets work on your Excel and you go and save it as CSV file, you lose everything. Okay, so make sure you save it as workbook. And when you advance in data analytics using Excel, you will learn about macro, and so you can use macro work enabled workbook as well to save your files. So these are file extensions you have to know about, and I want you to know the difference between CSV file and workbook. If you save in CSV file, some of your work will get missing. That is it. So please note that as well. So this is what I want to share with you about Excel, right? So let's go through the tabs again. So we have the home tab, and the home tab we have different ribbons, insert, delete, and all that. Then you go to insert tab, we have the pivot table, recommended pivot table, tables, forms, and all those things. This is the updated Excel, right? Microsoft Excel 365. So on notes, we have draw as well, we have page layouts, we have formulas, we have data. So with data, you see analysis tool here as well, and all that. Yeah, and we have review, we have view. These are all tabs and ribbons under them. And do not panic, all you need to do is put your cursor on them, and it's going to tell you what that is, right? As well, and you can actually go and research about the name and get to know what it's all about. Okay, so this is the interface of Excel as well. So thank you. All right, so we just went through the interface of Excel. Please take your time, download Excel. If you have challenges, join our WhatsApp group so that we can help you get your Excel installed as well. And also, you can also use Google Sheets as well to maneuver around as well. But the Google Sheets is more of like you have to have an internet connection all the time. But Excel gives you that flexibility of using it offline or as well, right? So take your time, open your Excel, take a tour, and see the formulas. The tour gives you the basic formulas you need to know to start your whole journey. So take note of that and use it to your benefit, okay? And use it to your benefit. That will really, 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 really help you a lot. All right. So we've come to the end of day 8 video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And sorry, today has been it has been a little bit of on and off because I'm still like, there's a new phase. We've been doing the board and now we are doing this, so it's kind of like a new thing to all together. So pardon me, right? You will get to be okay using sitting like this and doing the video, okay, as well. So pardon me, pardon me, pardon me, right? Please like this video, share it to a friend who is learning data analytics from scratch. They will be happy to have it, right? Do not hold back. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new here. Welcome as well. And we are doing this for 100 days. Today is day 8 and I'm going to see you on day 9. Bye for now.